Today we are going to start the fifth standard, that is the lesson number third, the grateful tenant. This lesson is written by the owner of the Infosys company, Sudha Murthy, Srimati Sudha Murthy. She has written this lesson. And before starting the lesson, we are going to concentrate on the new words. For your glossary, page number 33. You should open and read whenever you have a time. And the first word is plate. Plate means what it is? A nameplate fixed to the wall. Plate means what? Nameplate fixed to the wall. In big cities and all, what we are going to identify the address of the house means they are going to keep a nameplate in front of their house for the wall. That is called what? A plate. And engraved. Second one is engraved. Engraved means cut words on wood, stone, metal or etc. Engraved means they are written on the nameplate, some of the address are named. And third one is outhouse. Outhouse means what? A small building in the ground floor, usually at the back of the main house. Small house will be in the ground floor. That is called what? A outhouse. A wholeheartedly. Wholeheartedly means completely and sincerely. Sincerely. And selfless means what? Caring about others, not about oneself. Selfless means we are going to care about ourselves. That is called what? Selfless. And meager. Meager means small quantity, little amount. Man Friday. This meaning is a trustworthy character in the novel Robinson Crusoe. That is one of the best novel in English, but one of the best trustworthy person available in the novel. That is called what? Robinson Crusoe. That is why the meaning of that Man Friday. And run errands means do petty jobs. So many jobs we are going to change sometimes. In search of jobs also we are going here and there. That is called what? Run errands. And reaffirm. Reaffirm means what? To prove again. These are the words according to this lesson of yours, 5th standard. The third lesson, the grateful tenant. Tenant means what? Grateful means what it is? A thankfulness. That is called what? Thankfulness. And tenant means what? We are going to live for a rent in their house. That is called what? A tenant. And synonym, grateful tenant. Name some people whom would you like to remember all through your life. Some of the people who are not thankful to earth. We are going to remind some of the important times in all those. And what makes you remember them? Share your answer with your friends. What purpose we are going to remind all those persons. Sometimes they are very kind to us. Sometimes they help to us. That is why we are going to remember them in our life. For example, whenever we were in a small kid, that time teacher were teaching us moral values and how to behave with elders, parents, and how to behave with the classmates. This all we have learned in the school itself. These all things we have learned from our teachers. Understand? That is why we are very thankful to our teachers. Here is a lesson, a settled home life and gives everyone a chance to shine. Read how one man remembers with affection the help that an elderly couple gave him when he was a penniless student. What happened? A settled home life gives everyone a chance to shine. Whatever, a settled life. Whenever we build one house, understand we are keeping one name for the house and all. Here also happened here. That is a very happy moment in our every human life it is. I went for morning walks every day. I enjoyed this stroll because of the scented breeze that blow and blow nearby a garden, also mild warmth of the early sun. The author is going somewhere, the person, and he went at the morning walks every day. Every day morning he was going for a walk and he enjoyed a stroll. Stroll means what? He was wandering here and there because of the scented breeze that blew nearby gardens and also the mild warmth of the early sun. Little hot of the sun also we are getting early morning and also we are getting the fresh air from the garden flowers and plants. On one such day, one day what is going to happen? I noticed a plague on the wall near the gate entrance. One day what happened? He was going here and there and he noticed, he observed. What he observed? A plague on the wall near the gate entrance. Near the gate entrance he saw a plague on the wall, name plate. And it had the name of the house Shyama Kamal. What the plague had the name? Shyama Kamal. And engraved on a polished black granite, I asked Ramesh why he had chosen this name for his home. What happened? The person is going to ask her. I mean, Ramesh friend is asked to Ramesh what? Why you kept Shyam Kamal for your house? And it is a combination of the names of the two people. What the Ramesh is replying, this is the combination of name of the two person who changed my life, the ones I remember and I thank each day, said Ramesh. Ramesh is replying what? When the Ramesh friend is asking why you kept the Shyam Kamal for your house, then Ramesh is going to tell this is the combination of two persons name. Those are very grateful in my life. I have very thankful in every day of my life. Who is saying this? That is Ramesh. And Shyam Kamal stands for Shyamra and Kamala. What happened? Shyam Kamal. That means Shyam Kamal. Shyamra and Kamala. Both together we have kept Shyam Kamal. And do you remember when I was in Dharwad, I used to stay with an old couple. When Ramesh was in Dharwad for a studying purpose, he stayed with the old aged persons. Aged couple means what? Aged persons. And I remember there was an elderly couple in Dharwad who used to rent over their outhouse to college students. Ramesh had stayed there for 6 years. What happened? Ramesh was going college, then he was searching one house for a rent. And suddenly what happened? He got an opportunity for the, in this old couple, outhouse was empty. Then he stayed how many years? 6 years he stayed there. And Ramesh went on at the time. They supported me wholeheartedly in my decision and to study in a bigger town. What happened? He was a very wholehearted person. He got in that biggest town in Dharwad. In the cities, usually we are not getting that much kind-hearted persons. Understand? But to that much close relation we won't get in the cities. But in villages we are going to get. Cities is more difficult. But here Ramesh is luckily got the 8 persons. Very thankful to them. And Shyamra was a retired postmaster and my father's friend. What happened? Shyamra was a retired postmaster. He was the Ramesh's father friend. And he gave me a place to stay in. And he has given a place to stay in their outhouse. Kamala Bhai was a selfless and that she would share her meals with me. Kamala Bhai was very selfless. She was giving and wholeheartedly food and all to the Ramesh. And I enjoyed the meal so much and felt like I was having these meals with my mother. He was feeling and Kamala Bhai was his mother. As Dharwad was very famous for the peda, you know already Dharwad is famous for peda and all. Mr. Shyamra always brought pedas. They did not let me go hungry for a single day and treated me like this. Kamala Bhai and Shyamra both they treated this Ramesh is their son. And if they brought a peda and all, every time they are giving and sharing with Ramesh. One day also he was not left over the hungriness and all. Always he was feeling very much pleased with the tenant. If I was late in paying my college fees, he would lend me some money for his meager pension and help me out. What happened sometimes to pay the college fees and all? So he was not having money. If it is late to become pay the college fees and all, sometimes the Shyamra was helping and he was giving the money to the Ramesh to pay the college fees. And this much help they were giving to Ramesh. That is why Ramesh was feeling what? That their house is and his house and Shyamra and Kamala and treated like their son. That is why he also felt that they were his parents. But he used to run errands for them to do odd jobs like going to the post office, buying fruits and vegetables, watering the plants and pumping the water out of the tank. In fact, we used to call their man Friday behind your back. I replied, what happened here? But he used to run errands for them to do jobs. What happened? Ramesh was helping them much. He was going to post office and to take the money and all, and buying fruits and vegetables also he was going market, and he was watering the plants and pumping the water out of the tank, and this all work done by him. In fact, we used to call you the man Friday and behind your back. I replied, what happened? He was calling as a man Friday. Man Friday means what? A trustworthy person and believable person. That all work he was doing. I don't agree with that, said Ramesh. What happened? Ramesh was helping much. They were giving food and they were very close to him. They were paying college fees also. This much help he was getting from the Shyamra and Kamala Bhai. That is why Ramesh was thinking to little help them as a son. Little work to buy vegetable, fruits, and he was watering the plant. This all work done by Ramesh. And I don't agree with that. That Ramesh friend is asking what you are calling as a man Friday, because whole trustworthy person you became for the Shamram and Kamla Bhai. I don't agree with that. Ramesh is saying that. And think of that old couple. They were old couples. That is why I helped them. They were not well off, but they went out of their way to help me. Without their help, I do not know where I would have been today. If they did not help anything to me in that time college days, I would not be here in this place now. That is why I am grateful for them, for my study and all. They helped a lot. That is why I am agreed to help them in that days. And but why did you name those after them? I went back to my original question. Again, Ramesh friend is asking the next question. Why I kept their name for your house? And it was my father's suggestion. Who had given the suggestion? And Ramesh father had given the suggestion to Ramesh. And he said, there are some people who do things out of affection and not just out of a duty, and they change your life with the love and generosity. These are all the things, very important, valuable things he had learned from Kamalabai and Shamrao in a college days. You know already college means what it is, that is a teenage. Sometimes students will get spoiled their life also. They would get some of the knowledge and they improve themselves and they will get a good job in future. That is happened here. Shamrao and Kamalabai, always they are giving a moral values and a good nature, friendship, everything that Ramesh got from the Shamrao and Kamalabai. That is why Ramesh father suggested to keep the Shamrao and Kamalabai's name for his house. And even my children should know their origins of my success. Origin of my success. How he get the success in his life because of Shamrao and Kamala. And I was want to them to understand to the great gratitude I feel towards Shamrao and Kamalabai, not through mere words but through actions. What happened? There is no words to tell thanks to the Shamrao and Kamalabai. Ramesh was saying kind words toward that talent Shamrao and Kamalabai. There is no words to explain. Only action I have to show. That is why I kept Shamrao and Kamalabai name for my house as Sham Kamal. And it is a people like Ramesh who reaffirm our faith in humanity. What happened here? Ramesh is a kind person. He had got a good knowledge and values of life and everything he had learned from the Shamrao and Kamalabai when he was in Dharwad for his college education and all. That is why he reaffirmed means what? Again he proved again what? They were also kind and he also became a kind person, and Ramesh children also become kind person in future. This is the leftover in our life. Listen children, this is very important. Whenever we are going to thank some of the persons, we have got a many variety of knowledges from them, and how to lead life, how to learn, how to get knowledge. Understand? If you are not doing anything, means sometimes some of the people are going to tell us some knowledges. You should not waste time. Understand? That wasting of time also one of the bad habit. This all Ramesh had learned from his grateful talent. That is why he was very thankful to them. And this is the lesson of yours, 5th standard 3rd lesson. And next tomorrow, and we are going to get the question answers. Listen, one more thing I wanted to tell. And whenever you are writing question answers, you should write it neatly. First you write it glossary after question answers. If poem will be there, means summary also you should write it.